Interested in drones? One of the leading applications of drones is terrain mapping. What is terrain mapping? It is used in land surveys, forest surveys, water bodies, infrastructure like buildings, bridges, even overhead wires. A lot of these require terrain mapping. Okay. It's a big field. There are many job opportunities in terrain mapping. You can start your own small business or you can join a services company which does terrain mapping services. And what skills do you need for terrain mapping? You need to understand how a drone works. You need to be able to pilot a drone. You need to be able to repair a drone. Then there are many softwares. There is a GIS software. There are softwares for photogrammetry like Pix4D. You will also have to understand how a GPS works. So for all this, TCOE has designed many drone courses for you. Check out our website for more details and follow us for more tech insights. Learn, fly and soar high. Thank you.